Haiti did not collapse. Haiti was deliberately dismantled by powerful nations that could not tolerate the existence of the first independent Black republic in the Americas. How was it destroyed? They studied the behavior of Haitian politicians, identified their weaknesses, and exploited them. They enticed and corrupted those leaders with money and privileges, empowering them against the very people they were meant to serve and against the interests of the nation itself. They deindustrialized the country and shipped its industries overseas. They plundered its natural resources and pushed its workforce out. They convinced these unscrupulous leaders that Haiti could no longer produce what it had always, essentially, produced. They imposed unjustified embargoes on goods essential to Haitian life: gasoline, ammunition, a strategy used to manipulate and control the population. They engineered conditions so intolerable that Haitians had no choice but to flee their own country. Once Haitians emigrated en masse to those same foreign nations, they were recast as a burden, dehumanized, humiliated, and slandered to damage their reputation. Now they control you, your country, your leaders, your politicians, your body, and your soul. You are now a zombie.